보시면 됩니다.
Yun!
하고 싶은 분 계신가요?
So who wants to be with me?
Ginagawa mo, girl?
Wow.
Wow! Wow!
Because you will have a partner when you're doing that.
네, 걱정하지 않으셔도 됩니다. 소민!
Okay, so here we go. We already have our first round members. Are you ready, maganda?
마감의 팀 준비되시나요?
Yes. You can. Team Masarap, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
I hope it's
You
not
can
mine. Go! It's not alive,
Don't worry.
Kinuha lahat eh!
I thought she was good at this thing.
Me too. I know I can do this.
You're doing great.
Sira na yung box, oh.
But this is not what I wanted.
즐기지 말고 막
Are you okay, ladies?
Don't be scared, just watch it.
Yes, we all.
I think it moved.
Okay, I have just one. Oh,
Sige!
Oh, it's moving!
Kaya, maganda. Diba maganda? Can you please not lean on the box? Yes, be careful, please.
조심하세요.
Kanina niya pa pinapagalitan yung mga ano, ah.
네, 마감의 팀. Is it the noodles?
Yes!
Are you going to accept that?
What?
Yes! 2 points for you!
맞추셨습니다. 축하드립니다.
Madaya!
There you go. What is it?
It's cold.
masarap kasi! Huh? Lobster!
Woo! Woo!
Yes! Did I hear that right? Team Masarap?
Yes!
Team Masarap? Yes! She got it! Lobster!
Woo!
It's not real.
Yes, it's not
It's not real. It's just a toy.
It's a toy lobster. Congratulations!
이거 왜 촉촉해요?
Why is this so sticky?
Made this like this on purpose, right?
It's newly fished from Manila.
가져왔습니다.
Just kidding. Congratulations! And one
축하드립니다.
more for Team Masarap! We have 1 point, Team Maganda!
축하드립니다.
Congratulations!
Gagalit si Jay.
You have 1 more chance for Team Masarap to earn
Yes.
it.
It's hard.
아니 발음 못하는 것 같은데 왜 한 거예요?
Bakit parang hindi maganda yung pero bakit nakakapagod siya?
아 너무 웃기다.
It's really funny.
But to be fair, magaling silang mag-balance, ha?
간질간질 간질간질.
Kiliti, kiliti.
기리디
Ayun na.
기리디.
Sige, give 4 seconds.
Ah, cute na yun.
And
시간
check
조금만
out
더
your
드릴게요.
pose.
포즈를 취하시면 됩니다.
Jade, I need to ask you to pose beside her, not behind her.
제이
so that
BGM이 끝났어.
the audience can see
제시
you.
뒤쪽에
Jade,
보지
can you
마시고
open
옆에서
your hands,
보여주세요.
please? There you go. Thank you. All right. So we are going to see now if you did the correct pose in 3,
포즈를 맞는지 확인을 할게요. 3초 전에.
2, sorry. And 1. Open your eyes.
믿으시면 됩니다.
Is it the exact same pose?
맞을까요?
Exact same pose? Is it?
Yes!
Why not? Why not?
Someone says no, someone says
Oh!
We're going to have to ask the audience.
Yes!
Alright, congratulations, Diva! Sarap 2 points! Yes, 2 points for the team! Maganda! So let's check our total.
김하나는 1점.
Let's see. Alright, so anytime the music I thought, let's give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I thought he was, Masarap was also going to join in the dance earlier. You did it so cutely.
팀 마사락도 춤추는 줄 알고 너무 귀여워가지고.
Very cute, the baby sharks. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Yes. Alright, so while we were having fun here on stage, unfortunately, guys, we're going to have to say goodbye to our Stacy girls.
Bilis naman!
Yes. Because, you know, good things all have to come to an end. Meron pa kayong suggestion, guys?
혹시 필리핀 곡 원하시는 거 있나요? 아니면 팬분들 위해 추천을 받을까요?
Ano suggestion niyo, guys? The Philippine song. Sige, maybe Stacy
Yeah.
has a song that you want to sing to us.
역시 스테이시 멤버들이 준비한 곡이 있나요?
Yeah, there is.
There is.
Yeah, it is Ligoy by Kaligoy. Kaligoy, Ligoy, yes.
Ah! Paligoy-ligoy!
Sino may alam ng paligoy-ligoy, guys?
Woo!
So mas maganda syempre if you guys know the song, would it be nice if you sing it with Stacy? Is that a good idea?
괜찮을까요? 팬분들과 함께 같이 노래를 부를까요?
Definitely.
Alright, so let's sing it together. Ayan na, let's sing it together, guys. Paligoy-ligoy by for our audience right here. Thank you so much for loving the Philippines.
너무나 감사합니다. 필리핀을 사랑해주셔서 너무나 감사합니다.
Yes, and the Philippines loves you very much as well.
그리고 필리핀은 스테이시를 너무나 많이 사랑합니다.
Yes, alright. So thank you guys so much. We all enjoyed our evening here tonight. It was very exciting. Thank you for holding your first ever family here in the Philippines.
팬미팅에 해주셔서 너무나 감사합니다.
Okay, so I know that there's going to be another meaningful time just like this. Next time, I'm going to...
Our next song is about that we're saying we'll be there in Yeah. Our next song is I'll be there.
Ay, ano sila dyan?